Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I think first of all I'd just like to especially thank Dr. Khurram, who's been, in such a short period he's been able to organize all this. And I think people like him, when they come back and the kind of contribution that they make, I think that's really commendable. And I think hats off to him, the way he's organized this. And especially hats off to our colleagues, our friends who come from Ireland and are helping us in this, especially when the image that you get sitting outside is that the moment you come out of the airport you probably be abducted and taken away somewhere. I think traveling under such circumstances, I think is definitely a very difficult task, and we're extremely grateful to both of you for coming over. And I think especially we're grateful to Dr. Mubashir, who's been kind enough, and we are at the University of Health Sciences, and the way he's been able to establish this university, and the university is growing day by day. And Dr. Parwana, of course, and who started this thing at the PHDC. So we assure you that whatever training is given and the development and the skills of all the instructors and of the academy, it will go a long way, and it will further enhance the capacity and train people not just for Punjab. We're training people for all other provinces. They're already under training, and this will directly contribute to the improvement in the skills and the training that they're imparting to the people in the related fields. So these will be the people who are directly responsible for managing these patients, the victims, the pre-hospital care. So I think this contribution we really appreciate, and this will go a long way in building the capacity of emergency services in the country. With that, I think, thank you all.
How are you?